YouTube, what's going on, man? What's going on, my cautious family? What's going on? Today going to be a special menu today, duck. Have you ever tried duck before? This wouldn't be a good one, man. It's like brown stew chicken right here, man. So watch out for it, man. Watch out for this one here. Your boy gonna cook some duck today. You know, I want to try alligator next. I've tried octopus, or I've tried squid before, but definitely want to try alligator. So, but today I'm gonna cook duck, and I've tried rabbit as well. So, you know, trying new things today and just keeping you guys posted. Anything you guys while I'm here, just watch out for the next vlog or the next channel coming up. I like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and spread the word, and show love to you, boy. I appreciate the guys who and ladies who are supporting us. I appreciate, you know, I'm coming along with more videos are coming. You know, I need to be consistent. You know, more consistency is key. But my family, like, comment, and subscribe again. Today we're gonna cook duck, and we're gonna use some nice Jamaican yam, yellow yam. It's gonna be a wonderful day. It's gonna be a wonderful day, and some lemonade. You know what I mean? They're from scratch, lemonade from scratch. So stay tuned for that video. Your boy Gary Cautious here, and remember, like, comment, subscribe, boy. How? Yes, guys, you got the seasoning here. Not much. You got the pepper, thyme, onion, garlic, pepper, scallion. You know, just going to be washing off the meat. That's meat right there. The lime, of course, and you got the yellow yam right here. And the seasoning, all-purpose season, meat season, with garlic powder. We're gonna get it done, guys. So, bear your boy, you know, in my kitchen and stuff like that. So, let's keep you on a daily vlog, man. I don't have much to do today, so I'm just gonna make a little cooking channel, if that makes sense, you know. So, stay tuned, man. Alright, people, there go the duck and the yam, you know. I'm just showing the seasoning that's in there: pepper, onions, scallion, thyme, meat, all-purpose and chicken season, and there go the duck right here, yellow yam, and so forth. So I already washed it with the vinegar and shit like that. Now I'm gonna peel the yellow yam. You know, bear with me, I don't have any other camera person here, so this is gonna be it right here. Your boy gonna cook up a storm, and when it's finished up and stuff like that, I'll let you know what's taking place here. So, you know, in the Caribbean, you know that you have to put oil in your water when you boil yam or banana, right? Why? Because you don't want that black stain around your pot, and you don't want your water to look dark when you boil in yam or banana or even potato. So the oil will help as well. Another thing could help as well is saltfish, right? You know, when you clean your saltfish in the bone and the tail that's left, you put the bone and the tail in warm water, let it heat up, and you could put the because you know saltfish is full of salt, so that will help too as well. So you could use saltfish as well, like the tail and whatever, the fin. When you finish cleaning up your saltfish, put it in the pot and let it boil, and you put the yam and banana, and they help you have less stain on your pot and will not be dark or that slimy look. So that's another method too as well. You know, of course my mom taught me that, of course, you know. You also could do your research, but this is a duck right here, people, the yellow yam, white yam, and also the seasoning right here. I'm gonna go, I already finished cleaning up with vinegar, salt, and water, and now I'm gonna put in the seasoning and marinate for at least 20 minutes or so. You know, and then I'm gonna peel the yam. I'm gonna start the stove right here so the water can start getting hot. You know, people, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to your boy's channel. Hit the notification bell and share it. Please, I'm asking you, share it. You know, when you subscribe, it's free to subscribe, it's free to like. Please just don't watch the videos. Just take 2 seconds and go over to the thumbs up and like it for me, please, and thank you. Leave a comment in the box. Any positive, any negative comment could turn into a positive comment. Please share and tell a friend, You know, this is going to be once in a while, and more videos are going to come. Again, please, see my boy Gary Cautious. I'm going to start the kitchen up right now. Alright, people, love and respect, and stay safe out there. Alrighty, again, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be right back. Yes, you too, your boy is cooking that duck, you know what I'm saying, and that yellow and white yam. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you a sneak peek right now. It's on the fire. I might not show you everything that's prepared, done. You know, I'm a bachelor, so hey. So what I'm gonna do right now, just do the norm. I don't want no raw veg or pasta. I'm gonna go with some nice gravy and the yam and but yellow and white yam, sorry, and the duck. So yeah, man, let's stay tuned. I'm gonna give you some more highlights. Just like, comment, and subscribe. So tell a friend, like go watch all the previous videos, you know what I mean? Once I reach a certain subscribers, you know, I make a little money, I am gonna give back, you know, cause you know, God bless no man curse, God give it no man can take, you know, so yeah, blessed upon blessing, you know what I mean? Just tell a friend, your boy Gear Cautious here is doing this thing. Hope you like all my videos, you know, some might be funny, some might be, you know, just conversation, or some might be just me just up to date you guys, you know. Yeah, remember, subscription is free, people. Subscribe. Please subscribe and just touch that thumbs up. 2 seconds, just thumbs up. That's all I ask for, and I appreciate it. The more you do it, the more video come out. You push me to do more. All right, don't do less, then you get less. You know, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to show you what's on the fire right now. And yeah, just comment below what do you think. I'm not the top chef, you know. I take my time and learn my thing or two, you know. I good thing I want to cook for myself, so I don't want to go taste it. So if anything happen to me alone, you know. But I just have a little confidence, you know, what you're doing. So yeah, man, just come take along and take a ride with me, and just enjoy all the videos. You know, I might put up some short videos, you know, just to keep you guys updated and stuff, and I don't want to be boring. You know, my very first videos down below, you know, just to keep my account active. It wasn't like, oh wow, you know, entertainment way, just to keep my account active, as you could see. So bear with me, you know, I'm still learning. There's always something new when you come to this thing, you know. Remember, YouTube's like working commission. It's not like, it is commission. So without your guys' help, there's no ching, if you know what I mean. You know, so just subscribe and share it with your friend, and I appreciate it. I'm going to show you the duck on the fire and the yellow and the white yam, and I'll show you the difference when you cook the yellow and the white yam, how the water look differently when you use that oil, or if that the sawfish, remaining piece of the sawfish, you finish clean off what you need, because remember, sawfish is full of salt. So let's take a look right now, okay? All right, so the duck right there. The stuff is right here. That shit is hot. That's it. Oh boy, I was brave, boy. See you guys, I'm all burning up myself for you guys. Look at that. Look at that. You see the difference now? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna stir the water up for you. Alright, look at that. You see, look at the yellow yam, white yam, sorry. Look at the white yam. Pretty. Whoop. Cooked so good, it's so soft, it's full. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. See, because of the oil in the water. Look at that. Pretty. Huh? Look at that. You know, so yeah, man. I'm just doing my little thing here, and just, you know, check out the rest of that duck right here. And yeah, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy is gonna keep you up to date and more. And this is gonna be once in a blue moon, you know, because I really have nothing to do today. So I'm gonna post a video for my fans, and you guys are gonna like it. And yeah, man, I'm just here taking it easy, man. So you guys have a wonderful day. Your boy Gear Cautious. I'm out.